So Akeem Blake made Jamaica as a nation very proud, and the reason because he secured a bronze medal in the 60 meters final in indoor Glasgow championship. Akeem Blake secured a very impressive bronze medal in the finals of the 60-meter dash at the World Athletic Championship, facing up against no one else and Christian Coleman, who finished ahead of him. The future of Jamaican sprinting is in good hands. The whole Jamaica as a nation was very proud the day Akeem Blake secured the bronze medal in Glasgow Indoor Championship, and the reason is because it has been a long time a male sprinter has dominated the way Akeem Blake dominated in the indoor Glasgow Championship. And according to reports, Akeem Blake is the first Jamaican man since Usain Bolt to medal in a sprint at a global championship. He is also only the fourth Jamaican man to medal in the 60 meters at the World Indoor Championship. In 1997, Michael Green from Jamaica medal. In 2012, Nista Caster medal. In 2016, Asafa Powell medal, and in 2024 it is now Akeem Blake, and that is the reason why a lot of Jamaican fans were happy to see Akeem Blake winning. And I feel like Akeem Blake is the future of the male side of the sprinting event in Jamaica. Like, he has everything he needs. He has the physique, he has the strength, he has the muscular body. Like, everything in Akeem Blake is well packaged. All he needs right now is probably a better coach, and he just needs to concentrate. He needs to be fully focused on sprinting, and I feel like Jamaica would definitely be revived back in the male sprinting event. Talking about the real fact, we all know that the female sprinting side of the Jamaicans are the ones giving us back-to-back strength, and they are the ones performing so well. As for the male, when it comes to sprinting, since the retirement of Usain Bolt, we have not had another male that will represent Usain Bolt from Jamaica. Hopefully, we hope that Akeem Blake is going to take that mantle from Usain Bolt. And I can't wait to see what he has for us in Paris Olympic. Paris Olympic is going to be one of the best and greatest competition when it comes to athletics, because we have a lot of drama, we have a lot of races that would be very interesting to watch. Anyway guys, let me hear your opinion in the comment section, and also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel.